Alright. Once again, welcome to GG Tall Bakbaka Nights Mobile Legends Tournament Week 1, Day number 2. At nagbabalik na tayo, Kuya J-Ray. Okay, kamusta sa Davao? Kamusta sa Davao?
Eto, parang nabalik na ako sa original time zone, tol. So, it's good to be back. And eto, sakto. Para sana hindi sana mag-time lag ng 10 seconds ulit. And we're seeing Sicilian being shown here on the side, sa red side. Anong team ba itong naglalaro dito right now?
OBK Esports.
OBK, yep.
Tapos si
Ano yung clear. Tapos hindi na masyado lagi sa part ko. This is good. This is a good.
Ayan. Oh. Ano yun?
Yun,
Nag-grabe yun, ha?
Mga sa Vicenius na naman.
Pero ito, Suyo yung magiging first priority pick ng OBK Esports together with the Lucas, no? You know, transform na hero together with the Moscow as well. And right now for Voodoo, still locking in for the third pick. Ladies and gents, tingnan natin kung sino pipiliin nila. They can go for a tank or XP laner as well dito. At so nakita natin Atlas yung magiging pick nila dito, Kuya Jerry.
Atlas indeed. And well, they have the Phosphor support mage, tapos may tank na rin sila dito, Kuya Maiko. So I think we're looking for better gold laner din dito for the side of Voodoo. Right now, the 3-band heroes, Badang, we have also Irizel on the side of Voodoo, tapos Louie and Harry and OBK Esports.
And tama ba ito nakikita ko? Nag-lock sila ng Joy? Ano yan? Gold Lane Joy ba yan? Or, ay, XP Joy. XP Joy yata to eh. Parang ano, no? Matagal na akong din nakikita ng XP Joy. Asan na siya?
Nara ko ba rin? Akala ko may kasunod kayo sa
Wala na. Akala ko nagkaroon na naman ng latency.
Time lag. Wala, man. I was waiting, akala ko may kasunod ka pang dadagdag pang sabihin.
Wala.
Anyways, another Granger game. And it's gonna be on the Voodoo side. Tapos Joehead yung nagiging last pick din ng team ng OBK Esports dito, Kuya Maiko.
Oo. And quick shoutout nga lang pala dito, Kuya Jerry, sa mga viewers natin. Once again, sa mga lucky viewers, sa mga viewers na rin dyan, magkakaroon kayo ng chance na manalo ng pa-Gcash giveaway. So, comment down below and share the live stream as well. Tapos, salin na rin kayo sa ating Discord server. Nasa pin comment po, mga kaibigan, yung link. Napakadali lang po, guys, para manalo. So, don't forget to like, share, and join the Discord server.
Ayun. So, we're almost there para simulan natin yung pangalawang serye. And tanong ko lang kay Kuya Sonny kung meron na tayong teams na maglalaro for the next series. Anyways, welcome to the Land of Dawn, mga kaibigan. At ito na naman tayo. OBK Esports versus Voodoo. Good luck and have fun. So, ano daw?
Woo! Ay, back to the ball game na nga tayo dito, guys. So hindi na wala nang time lag si Kuya mo, J-Ray. Di ko alam kung ano nangyari kanina pero loud and clear naman tayo ngayon, no, Kuya J-Ray?
Loud and clear as 3 heroes trying to attempt dito sa baba, Kuya Maiko. Tama ba? Di ba? Tama. I'm just making sure baka tapos na yung baka may namatay na tapos ako papapunta pala yung tatlo. Anyways,
anong minute dyan sa'yo, Kuya J-Ray?
104. Ayun! Kuha! Nadali din.
Kinamitan ng magic tricks.
Oo, salamat kay Kuya Sonny.
Okay. Shout out kay Kuya Sonny. Pero ito nga, dito bandang Gedli, first blood agad-agad para kay Super James.
Ayun, first blood nga dito, Kuya Maiko. And that 1 kill proceeds to OBK Esports. Pero doon sa bandang itaas, Joy na very low HP. Pero hindi binate lang and Retrify goes there. para patayin si Super Zeke. Pero may pambawi tayo off of kill Super James, removing Rain from the play. So napaka-hapdi yun onto the part of the Budo team, knowing na madedali ng bahagya dito yung kanilang gold laner. And X-Mac will try to deplete the energy shield dito na meron sa tier 1 tower sa bottom lane.
And kuha nila yung momentum and yung space para dito sa side ng OBK Esports. Now, trying to deny the potential purple buff na pwedeng kunin ni Retrify dito, ladies and gentlemen. Pero sabi naman niya, sige, sa inyo na yung purple, sa akin naman yung pagongin. Now, he's trying to actually get a trade off doon sa purple ng OBK.
Well, right now, eto. Kuya Cecilion, hindi. Nakapag-mark siya on Cecilion.
Si ano yan, si Valentina.
Valentina nga, nalito ako dun sa logo ni Cecilion. Pero it was an almost corner kill, pero nakapag-kuha siya ng dash. He was able to escape that one. Pero balik muna both teams on securing their goals para, their objectives din as well. Para later on, during the turtle fight, meron silang palag dito. Pero we'll see. Nangangamoy bakbakan dito sa bandang ibaba. Kuya Michael.
Mukhang magkakaroon na naman ng konting silip from both teams, ladies and gents. 3-minute mark, medyo dikit naman yung laban natin. 2-1 in favor of team OBK Esports. Samantalang may konting poke lang dito coming in from both teams. At yung advantage with the Fatal Links nga lang din naman ni Lucky doon sa bandang Gedli, mga kaibigan. Kaso nga lang, wala pa namamatay dito mula sa side ng OBK Esports. Ito, pinagbabato na ng Rhapsody with the Death Sonata. Tumama doon gamit si Rain, pero si Bakira, mga idolo, with the electrifying beats. Doon, bandang likuran, Super Zeref will fall down with a double kill coming in from Bakira with a joy. 2-0-2, agad-agad dito para sa XP laner ng Team Voodoo.
And that was a good team fight there from Team Voodoo. Nice follow-up from Rain, tapos pinasok agad dito ni Bachera with a good support, and nakapagtanggal sila ng 4 ni membro. But all those clash na nangyari, Super Zeke na nakapag-farm sa taas, but siya yung naging main attention dito sa may bandang itaas. Di natin Bakira will be able to take that kill. Number 1 party Anthem Jawhead will try to chase down Bakira, pero mapipilitan siya umuwi. But fortunately, dapat inuwi na niya that time at naging +1 siya tuloy dito by Rectify, and this will be another opportunity para makapag-secure ng turtle yung Voodoo team.
And Voodoo kanina sila yung naghahabol in terms of the economy, in terms of the momentum, pero ngayon nasa kanila na, Kuya J-Ray, 15,000 na yung kanila pera dito. At as we can see right now, papasukin na naman nila yung Valentina sa bandang gitna. Kaso nga lang, trade pa naman. Bakira falls down. Fatal Links na naman sa dalawa. Nahuli dito yung dalawang members ng OBK. Ejector plays there towards Lucky. Pero ito na naman yung Respa. X-Mac goes for a kill. May TP pa with the SOD, pero buhay pa naman. Kaso unti-unting nauubos silang lahat ito ni Rectify with a triple. At mukhang magkakaminyak nga ba? Tingnan natin. Walang energy. Rectify dito naghahabol. May dash, kaso nga lang nakulangan talaga dito yung side ng Voodoo as they are now on top against dito sa ating OBK Esports.
That's right. Kinapos ng energy, and I think he doesn't have that purple buff earlier. Kung tama ba ako?
Parang nag-expire ata.
Oh, and that was an almost maniac kill here from Rectify. Pero para surprise, Super Zeke nabigla at inatake doon, and mapapatumba. Another TikTok timer dito para sa kay Super Zeke at bago siya magbalik sa ating laro. 15-12 here kill situation. 4,000 gold lead here by Voodoo, and Bachera looking not good sa bandang itaas. He'll be taken down there. So that was a 3 versus 1 step kill.
Not looking good talaga yung position ni Bakira doon sa top side. Pero may trade naman ginagawa yung Team Voodoo, which is actually good dito kaya J-Ray. Kasi tingnan mo naman, sabi nila, sige, patayin nyo lang yung XP laner namin. Pero yung kapalit naman doon, makukuha namin yung inner turret ninyo doon sa bandang ibaba. The second tier, or the first tier, 2 tower na makukuha dito ng Team Voodoo, which is actually good. And right now, unti-unting na nakokontrol na nila yung tempo at yung momentum right now for our game number 2.
And that's right. And 6-minute mark of the game pa tayo, pero unti-unti na nag-uubos ng tore yung Voodoo against the OBK Esports. Third turtles up for grabs. Tingnan natin. Will be Super Zep able to take this one? Makakapag-out siya with a flicker. That turtle goes to Budo.
Free turtle buff indeed na naman for the side of Team Voodoo as Lucky goes in and locks in onto that Dominance Ice. Rectify. Kakapitas na naman. Super Zeke dito, Kuya Jerry. Medyo napupuruan ha. 0-5-1. Yung kanyang KDA dito. Not looking good for an XP laner na kailangan niya talagang magkaroon ng items para ma-soak up niya yung damage dito mula sa side ng Team Voodoo.
And that's another. Uy, pero may kasunod dito the follow-up of that ultimate from Johed. Kagad na lockdown dito si Nami. That will be the first death of Nami here. Masyado siyang umabante doon knowing na madali siyang i-pick off gawa ng isang Johed.
Yep. And tingnan natin ngayon kung makakabawi pa ba dito yung side ng OBK Esports. But as of now, medyo medyo doable pa naman kahit papaano. Kasi may pa naman may late game pa naman at si X-Mac 2 beses lang siya napatay dito, napitas dito ladies and gentlemen, which means kayang-kaya pang bumawi ng Team OBK Esports. Kailangan na talaga nila makuha yung tamang ultimates dito para sa kanilang side, especially dito ni Super Serif with that IMU. Now, he has the Fatal Links at nakalaki naman na bura agad sa mapa si Super Serif doon sa gitna. I guess, eto, disengage na muna Kuya Jerry.
And may off-cam kill tayo, X-Mac. Tamang tira lang doon sa may backdoor, pero makukuha din siya kasi knowing na apat yung sasalubungin niya and he was just aiming for a kill to Lucky. Pero that was a good, good death for Lucky kasi nakapag-setup siya ng dalawa doon and they were able to take 2 heroes on the middle lane including X-Mac. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos siya yung ating kwento number 1 party. Anthem will be taken down, pero doon sa bandang likod, Retrify will also get Super James. So, nako, parang hindi masyado nakakapwesto, out of position dito yung team ng OBK Esports. And ito yung kalamangan na meron na hawak yung Voodoo. Right now, they're taking this level 1 Lord. Kuya Michael.
Mukhang magiging tahimik muna yung ating ganap ngayon, Kuya J-Ray. Dahil kailangan talaga mag-ipon dito ng mga members mula sa side ng OBK Esports. Hindi pa talaga umaabot sa punto na mararamdaman mo na yung power spike na meron sila dito. Especially with X-Mac together with Super Zeref. Kailangan pa rin talaga nila ng items. Speaking of items, konting silip or mabilis na silip lang, direct, Sony. Asa mo yan? Niliteral yung saglitang silip.
Saglit.
Oo. Ayan. So, wala pa talaga, still, X-Mac going in for the third core item, which is the DHS. So, kulang na kulang pa in terms of damage output. At napipitas sila dito lahat ni Rectify.
Rectify indeed. And holding the 1203 KDA, here comes the level 1 Lord, but that's gonna be no problem here. Pero yun, magiging careful sila. Lucky is now aiming for another perfect sweet spot. The Fatal Links connected here for those two heroes. Tingnan natin kung may follow-up damage. Number 1 party after them will be the first casualty here. Sunod natin sa X-Mac. And it's gonna be 3 against 5 heroes. May kasama pang Lord na buhay dito. Pero uy, yun na nga, wala nang mga turrets dito sa middle and bottom lane. Ang natitira na lang sa taas at tinatrabaho to ni Bachira. And here comes Rectify trying to zone out everyone here. May kasabay pang Death and Notha. Hindi nila pinapalabas dito at hindi na pa pinadedepensa yung OBK Esports. No turrets remaining here pero I think it's time for Team Voodoo na mag-retreat dito. Nami pipiliting mag-figure out pero hindi na makakalabas. And I think that's a sign na parang out muna tayo dito mga chong. Parang kailangan natin mag-reset pero sabi dito ni Rectify, no! We'll just have to continue this at tatapusin siguro na dito yung laban, Kuya Michael.
Mukhang tatapusin na nga as the Fatal Links get full members once again as Rectify goes in for the kill. Double kill pa nga for the jungler at eto na, I think this is safe to say GG Tol.
GG!
At doon
GG Tol.
ML mga kaibigan.
Grabe, tatlong Fatal Links na pinasiklaban tayo dito ni Lucky and